Have you ever wondered about the science behind the miracles we encounter daily? From invisible forces to extraordinary natural phenomena, the world is full of wonders hiding in plain sight. Let's uncover 50 crazy facts about the science shaping our everyday lives. Did you know lightning bolts are 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? This extraordinary energy powers nitrogen fixation in soil, critical for plant growth. Your heart produces enough energy daily to drive a small truck for 20 miles. It's a biological marvel working tirelessly. Bees are nature's mathematicians, building hexagonal honeycombs that maximize space and strength with minimal material. Water's ability to expand as it freezes allows it to break rocks apart, shaping landscapes over millennia. The human brain has more neural connections than there are stars in the Milky Way, making every thought an interstellar scale event. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet, allowing them to sample plants just by landing on them. The color of the sky shifts at sunset due to Rayleigh scattering, as blue light is scattered away, leaving warm hues. Snowflakes are formed through supercooled water vapor crystallizing around tiny particles, creating their unique patterns. Bamboo grows so fast that some species can grow over 3 feet in just 24 hours, an incredible natural speedster. Fireflies light up through bioluminescence, a chemical reaction that converts energy into light with almost no heat. Sand dunes can sing as grains of sand move and vibrate under certain conditions, producing eerie sounds. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood, making them one of nature's most alien-like creatures. Bananas are slightly radioactive due to potassium-40, a naturally occurring isotope. Don't worry, it's harmless. Fungi form underground networks known as mycelium that allow trees to communicate and share resources. Human tears contain natural painkillers, explaining why crying can sometimes make you feel better. Glass flows extremely slowly over time. In centuries-old windows, the glass at the bottom is often thicker. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, older than trees, making them one of Earth's oldest survivors. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth, visible even from space. Rainbows are actually full circles, but we usually see only a semicircle because of the ground. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they are separated, showing deep social connections. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to stay together in the water, a heartwarming survival tactic. Hummingbirds beat their wings about 70 times per second, creating the illusion of a blur in motion. Your body replaces about 98% of its atoms every year, meaning you're essentially a new person annually. Electric eels generate enough electricity to power a light bulb using special cells called electrocytes. Auroras, or the northern and southern lights, are caused by solar particles colliding with Earth's magnetic field. Dragonflies are among the most efficient predators, catching up to 95% of the prey they chase due to their incredible flight precision. The Sahara Desert can bloom with wildflowers after rare rains, turning one of the harshest places on Earth into a vibrant spectacle. Every snowflake contains a microscopic speck of dust or pollen, serving as the seed for its intricate formation. Elephants can detect thunderstorms from 150 miles away by sensing vibrations through the ground. Chameleons change color not for camouflage but to regulate body temperature and communicate emotions. A day on Venus is longer than a year there, as it rotates incredibly slowly compared to its orbit around the Sun. Some bacteria can survive in space, enduring extreme radiation and vacuum conditions for years. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that digests protein. That's why your tongue might tingle after eating them. Whale songs can travel thousands of miles underwater, allowing these giants to communicate across vast distances. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters each year due to tectonic plate movement. The moon causes moonquakes on its surface, triggered by Earth's gravitational pull. Ostrich eyes are bigger than their brains, giving them excellent vision to spot predators. Caterpillars completely liquefy inside their cocoons before transforming into butterflies. Peanuts aren't nuts, they're legumes more closely related to beans and lentils. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the nickname, the lungs of the Earth. Antarctica is technically a desert because it receives less precipitation than the Sahara. Spiders recycle their webs by eating the silk and reusing the proteins for new webs. Coral reefs are actually massive colonies of tiny animals called polyps, working together to build ecosystems. Salt crystals form naturally in perfect cubes, making them a geometric marvel of nature. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years, outliving dinosaurs and surviving 5 mass extinctions. The core of the Earth is as hot as the surface of the Sun, reaching temperatures of around 10,800 degrees Celsius. Venus flytraps count their prey's movements before snapping shut, ensuring they don't waste energy. Rain smells pleasant because of geosmin, a compound released by soil-dwelling bacteria when it's wet. The speed of a sneeze can reach up to 100 miles per hour, making it one of the body's fastest reflexes. Polar bears have black skin beneath their white fur to absorb heat and stay warm in freezing conditions. The universe and the natural world never cease to amaze us, revealing that what we take for granted is often extraordinary. With science as our guide, we can uncover the everyday miracles that shape our existence. Thanks for watching Fact Frenzy. Like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts and discoveries.